I tried to build a new AFK treasure fish farm using the Sculk sensor. My theory was that I could maybe detect the bobber when it's pulled underwater, so maybe the position of the sound source changes slightly and it could be a new bobber detector. Here's the working farm fast forwarded. I'm aiming at a very specific block on the node block. As you can see, sometimes it does trigger a splash detection when the bobber first hits the water, but sometimes it does not. And then when it's in the water, the bobber is pulled down. Sometimes it detects it, sometimes also that is missed, but it still works fine as an AFK fish farm. As you can see, while sometimes a faulty splash is detected, it still triggers the Sculk sensor a lot of the times in the proper ways, and so the AFK fish farm still works. And here is from another perspective how it works. When the bobber is just at the correct place in the water, you see it didn't trigger on the initial splashdown. It doesn't trigger on the constant splashing of the bobber. But when a fish bites and pulls the bobber down, it triggers the Sculk sensor, so the trapdoors at the top can be operated. And as you can see here, in this case, the bobber is at the perfect position, so it really only detects every time when the bobber is pulled down. I haven't seen anybody else trying to build a fish farm this way. Maybe it can be optimized a bit further to be more precise and more reliable, but right now, yeah, it still kind of works.